Equipped with most powerful computing power, serving the customer that require the most demanding AI capabilities, this is HOLOWITS X series. And the first one is the new joint of X series, our high-value star product of this season, the X series HOLOWITS X6741 4 tops 4 megapixel super low light full color dual lens AI PTZ dome camera. We all know that light pollution is an industrial challenge which is hard to be tackled, even if the industry was finding ways to keep the balance between proper light compensation and high-quality vision in low-light conditions. However, this problem will no more annoy you thanks to the 5 innovative features of our super low-light, full-color AI PTZ dome camera. Let's dive into this interior and see what enables it to stand out. First, the camera has a groundbreaking, specifically designed RGB Super Sensor that can transmit red, green, blue, and white light. Compared with the traditional RGB sensors commonly used in the industry through the past 40 years, our innovative RGB Super Sensor can improve the light sensitiveness by 75%. Changing G to W seems very simple, but actually, it's a giant leap forward for the whole entire industry, since it technically changed the underlying architecture of the imaging sensor. Such change requires greater computing power and in-depth image processing technology to obtain and process white light. It was just a universally conceivable and achievable goal to HOLOWITS made it truly achieved. Innovation allows HOLOWITS to be distinctive among the industry insider and promotes HOLOWITS to reach the pinnacle in AI era. The next is the ultra-large depth of focus and wide aperture. We know that lower f-stop give more exposure because they represent the larger apertures, while higher f-stop give less exposure because they represent smaller apertures. When we fine-tune the zoom of the long focus lens, the f-stop of the HOLOWITS aperture will be f3.8, and compared with the industry average f-stop, which is f4.8, this design allows 46% more light to penetrate the camera lens, so as to make image capture as nice as clear as those taken in the daytime. Then here's another part that we're proud to introduce, the AI image sensor processor. We usually call it AI ISP. It possesses massive image data obtained in diverse typical low-light scenarios for deep learning with the assistance of the ultra-sensitive noise reduction algorithm model. This enables the ISP to quickly adapt to scenarios in different ambient light conditions, optimize the brightness of the image, and what's more, provide quadruple in-depth noise reduction effect. Let's move on to the next feature. Ambient light conditions are so complex that simple algorithms cannot isolate them effectively, causing the poor clarity of image. HOLOWITS AI ISP-based Ultimate WDR ensure a dynamic range up to 120 dB through AI-based fusion of frames with various exposure conditions, so as to achieve excellent imaging effect with a meticulous level of details that are not undermined by external exposure stimuli. These are what makes the model so enchanting. Besides the mentioned technologies, the camera also features a long service life. HOLOWITS grabs a research result which implies that ultraviolet rays is one of the major causes that shorten camera lenses' service life. Therefore, we added 2 anti-reflective coating to the lens to avoid ultraviolet rays from entry, which effectively prolongs the service life and improves the transmittance by nearly 5% and prevents image ghosting at night. With such an outstanding lens, the camera can capture high quality and clear image with no need of illuminators. These images are captured nearly a reservoir at 9:45 p.m. and the outside illuminance is less than 0.001 lux. The left image is captured by our HOLOWITS X6741 and the right one is from the mobile phone with light compensation. The comparison is easily done, as the image effect tells everything. In addition, we also make a breakthrough in order that a number of on-site visits and OMM is reduced. Wipers are commonly used on traditional PTZ dome cams, while this camera model employs the industry first air blower, which is designed by referring to the headlight cleaning technology of high-end cars. This innovative approach cleans the lens without touching the viewing windows, blocking the view, or causing abrasion. What's more, such an air blower features a service life up to 5 years, greatly reducing your cost and create more value. The camera has a long focus zoom lens with 40 times focal length and a wide-angle prime lens, which means that it's capable of providing both panoramic view and detailed images. Here's a video clip for you to deeply understand how impressive our HOLOWITS X6741 are.